Welcome back to Luxury Car, where we explore the world of high-end automobiles. Today, we're diving into the much-anticipated 2025 Rolls-Royce, a masterpiece that continues to set the standard for luxury, performance, and innovation. In this video, we'll be focusing on the exterior design, the performance capabilities, and the remarkable history behind this iconic marque. So let's get started. The exterior of the 2025 Rolls-Royce is nothing short of breathtaking. The moment you lay eyes on it, you're greeted with a sense of grandeur that only a Rolls-Royce can evoke. The sleek lines and elegant proportions speak volumes about the brand's commitment to craftsmanship and attention to detail. Every curve has been carefully designed to offer a perfect blend of aerodynamics and luxury, while maintaining that classic Rolls-Royce presence. At the front, the iconic Spirit of Ecstasy gracefully rises from the hood, a symbol of the brand's heritage, while the grille is a stunning combination of refinement and power, finished in a polished stainless steel. It serves as the centerpiece of the car's face, framed by sharp LED headlights that give the car a bold and modern look. The headlights themselves are equipped with advanced technology, ensuring optimal performance on the road. Moving along the side, the proportions of the car are equally impressive. The body features flowing lines that run seamlessly from the front to the rear, which not only enhance the car's beauty but also contribute to its aerodynamic performance. The long, sweeping hood and the soft rearward tapering design create a sense of forward motion even when the car is stationary. The Rolls-Royce design team has also paid close attention to the rear wheel arches, which are beautifully sculpted to emphasize the car's athleticism while still maintaining a sense of grace and elegance. The wheels themselves are works of art, with unique, handcrafted designs that reflect the brand's commitment to luxury. Each wheel is perfectly crafted with attention to every detail, with the iconic Rolls-Royce wheel centers remaining perfectly upright, no matter the rotation. This commitment to perfection extends to the use of premium materials, such as polished chrome and brushed aluminum, which are used throughout the exterior for a finish that exudes class and sophistication. But Rolls-Royce doesn't just stop at luxury. The 2025 model is built with exceptional performance in mind. Beneath the exterior, you'll find a state-of-the-art V12 engine that offers an exhilarating performance, delivering power smoothly and effortlessly. The engine's sound is distinct, quiet, and refined, ensuring a serene driving experience without compromising on power. The car's performance is further enhanced by the advanced suspension system, which allows for a smooth and composed ride, no matter the road conditions. Every detail, from the suspension setup to the chassis, is designed to deliver unparalleled comfort while maintaining the performance characteristics expected from a Rolls-Royce. The exterior is also packed with cutting-edge technology, such as adaptive headlights that adjust to road conditions, active aerodynamics that adapt to driving speeds, and cameras integrated into the bodywork that enhance visibility, ensuring the driver has a perfect view of the road. Rolls-Royce also integrates smart sensors and radar systems that optimize driving performance and safety. The 2025 Rolls-Royce draws on over a century of design excellence. Since its inception in 1904, Rolls-Royce has been synonymous with luxury, elegance, and precision engineering. The 2025 model builds upon this legacy, continuing to push boundaries while honoring the craftsmanship and history of the brand. The exterior design remains true to its roots, maintaining that timeless elegance while embracing modern innovations. In conclusion, the 2025 Rolls-Royce represents the perfect fusion of traditional luxury and modern performance. The exterior is a testament to the brand's commitment to excellence, with its stunning design, exceptional performance, and a rich heritage. Whether you're looking for a car that makes a statement on the road or a vehicle that offers unmatched comfort and sophistication, the 2025 Rolls-Royce is the ultimate choice. Thank you for joining us on this in-depth exploration of the 2025 Rolls-Royce's exterior. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more luxury car reviews. See you in the next video.